Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 11th. In the lecture of class 11th, today I will start a new chapter, that is relation and function. This is a little bit dry chapter. Usually students lose interest while doing this chapter, but I will try to maintain your interest while doing whole of the concept, the basic concept which is used in class 12th also. This chapter relation and function is also the pillar of the chapter that is present in the class 12th relation and function. Okay, so today I will start with the basic concepts of relation and function. So let's start with the ordered pair. Pair is 2. Okay, so we talk about the two elements together when one element belongs to a set and the second element belongs to the another set. Okay, an ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. Okay, so this is written as A comma B, in which A belongs to A and B belongs to capital B, where A and B are non-empty set. These both are non-empty set, and this is written in a pair. The first element belongs to the first set and the second element belongs to the second set. Now come to the equality of ordered pair. What is the equality? The two ordered pairs are equal only in that case when first element is equals to the first and second will equals to the second. Okay, so let's do the definition. Two ordered pair A1 B1 and A2 B2 are equal if and only if means necessary and sufficient condition. A1 equals to A2 and B1 equals to B2. That means the ordered pair A1 A2 equals to A2 B2. That means if these two pairs are equal, the first element will equals to the first and second element will equals to the second. We can say that the corresponding elements are equal. Okay, now come to the Cartesian product of two sets. What is Cartesian product? It is the set of all ordered pair of two different sets, all the elements of P and Q. So how the definition is made, that is given two non-empty set P and Q. The Cartesian product is the set of all ordered pair of elements from P to Q. If we talk about two sets P and Q, the set of all ordered pairs are present in that product. Let us take P cross X Q. So we will take P cross Q as P comma Q, in which the first element belongs to the first set and the second element will belongs to the second set. Now we have two important facts. What are two important facts? The number of element present in P cross Q. If we talk about how many total number of element present in the product of P and Q, so we will take the number of element present in P and number of element present in Q and take the product of both number of element. We can get the value of number of element present in P cross Q. Now come to the last point, that is A cross A. This means it contains three elements, triplets. Okay, A comma B comma C, these three element belongs to A, then A B C is called ordered triplet. This is called as ordered triplet. This is pair in which two elements are there, triplet has three elements. So this is the basic concept. What is Cartesian product and how we can find the Cartesian product? So we will talk about I will take the example from your numerical numbers that is present in the form of A and B. So I will take that two numbers so that the product will clear to everyone how the product is taken and how we consider the product Cartesian product. Okay, so let's start with the numbers P and Q. I will take P and Q in the form of numbers. Let us suppose we have P is equals to 1 and 2 and Q is equals to 3 and 4. So how we can take the Cartesian product that is represented by P cross Q? How we can take this will equals to 1 3, then 1 4, 2 3, then 2 4. That's all. So these are the 2 3 and 2 4. These are the four numbers. These four ordered pairs make the P cross Q. If I talk about Q cross P, this means you have to take the first element from Q. That means Q, that is 3 1, 3 2, 4 1 and 4 2, right? So I will take this ordered pair like this. In this, the first element is from P, and in this, the first element is from Q. That means P cross Q not equals to Q cross P, right? So this is the way to take the product. Okay, ordered. This is the combination of all ordered pair present in this and this set. Okay, all the elements ordered pair. This is a set of all ordered pair. Now come to these are the basic concept. Now I will start the exercise 2.1. That is very simple. So let's start with the exercise. How you can solve that exercise? The exercise is very simple. If equality, the question first is depend upon the equality of ordered pair. How you can find the value of x when two equal ordered pairs are given to you? For finding the equality of sets, when two sets are equal given, how you can find? So let's take the questions from your exercise 2.1. Okay, the first question, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3, x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the value of x and y, right? X and y. So this is very simple question. How you can find the value? These are ordered, equality of ordered pair. Equality says that the corresponding elements are equal. So we will equate first element to the first element of ordered pair this. So I will take x by 3 plus 1 equals to 5 by 3, and here I will take y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. This will x by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 by taking LCM 5 minus 3 upon 3. This and this will cancel, x is equals to 2. One of the value we have find out. Okay, the second one is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This y is equals to 3 by 3. After cancellation we get 1. So y is equals to 1. This is another value, that is another variable's value by equating the ordered pair. Okay, now come to the second question of your 2.2 exercise. Very simple question. The second question is also very simple. I will take the question from your book, that is NCERT. Very simple. How you can solve? I will write first of all I will write the statement, the question number second. What is the statement? A set A has 3 elements. A set A has 3 elements. Okay, 3 elements, and B is equals to 3, 4, 5. Find the number of elements in A cross B. So how we can find? That is a very simple formula. I have told to you earlier in the last 2 lines. That is number of element present in A cross B. That is number of element of A cross number of element of B. Is it right? Okay. Now number of element of A, that is 3, and number of element of B, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 again. So it will equals to 3 3s are 9. So this is the very simple way to find the number of element in A cross B. Now come to the third question. What is the third question? Question is, if G is equals to 7, 8 and H is equals to 5, 4, 2, then find, question said find G cross H and H cross G. You have to find the value of 2 ordered pair, that is H cross. How you can find? Taking G cross H. When you take G cross H, element of G should be at first position 7 5, then 7 4, then 7 2, right? 8 5, 8 4, then 8, 2. Right? So this is the way to find H, G cross H. 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. 8, 5, 8, 4, then 8, 2. Now come to the H cross G. How you can find H cross G? 5, 7, then 5, 8. 4, 7, then 4, 8. 2, 7 and 2, 8. So this is the way to find the Cartesian product. Okay, now come to the fourth question. The fourth question is you have to do the true and false. So how you can tell that this is a true and this is false? To come to the question number 4. The question I will write in short form, the question number 4. Fourth is you have to do the true and false. Okay, so I will do the question number 4, that is true and false. True, question number 4, you have to do true and false. First question is, if P is equals to M comma N, M cross M comma N, that should not be in a double, M cross N, and Q is equals to N cross M. Okay, then P cross Q is equals to, that is Mn comma Nn. Is it right? The first statement you have to tell that this is true or false. If I take the cross product of these two, is it this? No, because Mn, then Mm, then Nn, then we want P cross. This is false. I will first of all write false because P cross Q is equals to Mn, then Mm, then Nn, and then Nm. So this is false, not true. Second, the B part is if A and B non-empty sets. Okay, this is non-empty sets, and then A cross B, A cross B is a non-empty set, non-empty set of ordered pairs, pair xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Yes, it is true. It is set of all the ordered pair x, y, when first element belongs to the first set and the second element belongs to the second set. This is true. Okay, come to the third, that is C set. If A is equals to 1, 2, right? And B is equals to 3, 4. Then the question says that then A cross B intersection phi is equals to phi. It is right or wrong? So we will check B intersection phi, that B intersection phi is equals to phi, because there is nothing common except phi, and when we take A cross phi, that will equals to phi. So this is true. Okay, so this is the way to solve the true and false. Now come to the next question. What is the fifth question? How you can solve fifth question? Very simple. Okay, that is also very simple. That contain 3 elements. Fifth question. That is fifth question is A is given as, and you have to find the ordered triplet. Okay, question number 5th. A is equals to -1 and 1. Find A cross A. Okay, A cross A. How you can find? Very simple solution. How you can solve? When you want to find A cross A, that will equals to -1 and -1. It's with itself. -1 and -1, then -1 and 1. Okay, -1 and -1, then -1 and 1, then 1 is -1, then 1 is with 1. So this is the way to find A cross A. Now come to A cross A. How you can find out how many elements? -1, then -1, then minus 1. This element first time taken with the first element and this with the second. This is 1. Now this second element minus 1 with minus 1 and minus 1 with 1. Okay, now come to the third. Third is minus 1, this third 1, not minus 1, 1 and minus 1. 1 minus 1 with minus 1, 1 minus 1 with 1. Then the fourth 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, then 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8, 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements are there. Each element has the 2 pairs. So this means this is a way to solve A cross A cross A. Taken together, then one with a single element, one is second element. One with first element, one with second. So this is the order triplet. Now next question is number is 6. How to solve the sixth question? Sixth is if A cross B is given as A comma X, B comma Y, A comma Y, A comma B comma X, B comma X. I will write it A comma Y. This is AX, AY, BX, BY. Okay, so this is the statement BX, BY. Find A and B. Question state that the find A and B. How you can find A and B? The question is very simple. The first elements are from one set and the second element are from second set. So you have to take A is equals to the you have to take the first set, that is A comma B. Now B is the second set, the element of second set, that is X comma Y. So this is very simple exercise. Do the other questions of your exercise 2.1. This is very simple exercise. Do the practice. Keep the definition in your mind. Each and everything should be clear for the next 2.2 exercise. So do the practice. Thank you.